I still have the heel clicking sound problem. Check this out. My first solution was to move my boots from position 1 to position 2. And as you know, Burton step-ons have 2 positions for riding. Right now, my boots are set to position 1, which basically gives a little bit of space between the boot and the binding for snowpack. The way you move from position 1 to position 2 is by pressing the boot down until you hear a click. That means that now there's no space between the boot and the binding for snowpack. Switching to position 2 did not help, and I still have the clicking sound. I'm gonna keep trying to find a solution, but I think at this point I'm just running out of options, and I'm afraid that if I can't figure out how to fix this, I can't really ride on step-ons. At this point, the only other solution that I have left is to try and increase the forward lean from F0 to F3. Some people on forums mentioned that sometimes this helps with the pressure and the clicking sound goes away. Let's see if this helps.